Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Snapchat portrait mode. If you want to blur the background behind your face, then don't search for various filters and simply apply Snapchat portrait mode. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Go to the camera screen and click on the arrow icon on the right. Find the focus icon and tap it. Now press on the button in order to take a snap. As you can see, the background behind me is blurred. Edit your snap as usually by inserting stickers, writing text, or drawing something. Once you're happy with your snap, send it to your friend or insert into your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Snapchat portrait mode. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.